Hi everyone, I am Anagha from Access Language School, and in this video let us discuss about why is grammar important in communication. Now, communication forms one of the integral parts of our day-to-day life as we are part of a larger section of society and we are required to converse with multiple number of speakers under various circumstances. Therefore, definitely communication is required. And communication is considered to be one of the integral parts wherever we go, whether we are working or whether we are studying in a school or whatever it may be. And essentially, it is a learned or an acquired skill which is acquired over a period of time. Now, as we all know, initially the humans used to communicate with each other in sign languages, which they considered to be an effective means of communication. Now, later on, they started communicating using language as a medium. Or in other words, we can say that language was something which triggered the development of human civilization. Now coming to grammar. Grammar was something, or grammar is something which lays the foundation stone of the language. And also it is required in every stages of our life, ranging from education till acquiring a job opportunity. It also helps you to instill or helps oneself to instill leadership qualities in themselves. And also it helps the listeners who are listening to you in order to comprehend properly what you are trying to communicate. Now, for example, if you are a person who are working or you are a part of a firm or an organization and you are required to deliver a message to another organization, due to some dramatic inappropriateness, your message is misinterpreted. What would happen? This will have heavy cost or it will result in a bad reputation of the organization as well as your career. So, a proper communication with proper grammar will always help to boost your credibility as a professional. And apart from this, taking the present scenario, it is especially important in the digital world where people have turned towards writing blogs and creating contents. And if you are not able to create proper or grammatically proper contents, it will be easily misinterpreted. And over a period of time, this will help a person in order to acquire a level of authority. Whether you are part of a firm or an organization, or whether you are participating in a competition, or whether you are studying in an institution. So, now you might have understood the importance of grammar in the communication process, and I feel that you are now prepared in order to know more about grammar, which we will be discussing in the upcoming sessions. Thank you.